How's it going, everyone? Audrey from Off Leash Canine Training here, and I've got Milo. He's a 2-year-old Shiba Inu coming to us for our 2-week board and train program. On day 1, this guy had some pretty big reactivity issues towards dogs, and sometimes people, especially when you're pulling on a leash, he kind of likes to bite at it. Sometimes he misses and he'll nip your leg, whatever it might be. He does know some of his basics, but his stability is fairly poor with it. He loves to chase birds, any type of wildlife, squirrels, whatever it might be. His owners walk in a park quite often, so they have issues with him just chasing. He has run out of doors before, and they've had to go after him. So let's see how he did on day 1. Let's take a look at him just a short 14 days later. Good boy, Milo. Good boy.
Hey guys, Tom here, Off Leash Canine Training. I just wanted to take a quick moment to personally thank you for taking time out of your day to watch one of our many transformation videos. If you liked the video, if you were impressed, go ahead and give it a like. If you'd like to see more videos like that, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you're notified whenever we do upload a video, which is almost daily. Feel free to head over to Yelp, Google, and our Facebook pages to see our many hundreds of 5-star reviews. And if you have any questions, hop on over to our website, westcoastolk9.com, or give us a call, 844-955-6559. We look forward to training your dog, and I'll talk to you soon.